All right, guys, we have a problem today, and I think I have the solver. We are trying to get ready for our mini RC Monster Jam, but I have a grass problem. So instead of going out and buying some overpriced name brand thing, this little bad boy was on sale on Amazon. So we're finna get this thing running, let her rip. Comes with a 2-year warranty, so I can run it in some water if I need to stir up some water. But let's get this thing together and let's get to the Monster Jam. Woo! All right, come on over here, guys. So what we have here is the Power Smart 3-in-1 170cc, so we can rip the engine out of it and make a big RC car if we want. But look at this. I thought I'd have to build this thing. It comes all put together. Trash. People are gonna say, you just had to cut the box. I could have cut the box or just do that. It looks like we can really get going on this thing. All we got to do is push some gas in it, because you know what's wrong with it. She's working, boys. Let's get it. We got to clean up this area for our mini Monster Jam. Let's go.
All right, this lawnmower worked perfect for what I was trying to do, and now it's time to get to Mini Monster Jam.
All right, guys, welcome to the first installment of RC Mini Monster Jam. We got all of the trucks here today, mostly 2-wheel drives. We got a cheater over here with the 4x4 Bigfoot. But guys, we're gonna see how this goes, and hopefully y'all enjoy the first installment of the Life of Ballen Mini Monster Jam. Let's get into it. Got all of the contestants here, and we have the spectator over here. So you will also be able to see from their point of view. Who are we starting with first? You want to go first, Bradley? Sure. And show off your Stampede 2-wheel drive. It's got like $1,100 into it. He enters the ring by taking out the ramp. Jesus, Bradley. Let's see what kind of damage he does in the middle. Flipped over. You're losing points by the minute, Bradley. Stuck under the ramp. Can he get out? He got out. He didn't need the foot of God. Oh, there he goes. He's ripping stuff apart. Look at him go. Oh, he's going for the big jump. There he goes. Backflips into the ring. Oh, he already broke something. Oh, we got an O from him.
Yeah.
What did you do, Bradley?
The screws came out on the shock tower because it's 2-piece.
Well, are you going to run her till she's gone or what?
Oh, yeah, bud.
He said he's not going to let a little breakage stop him. Okay. All right. There you go. Oh, he took the Hummer out with him. Look at him go. Oh, he's trying. He's ka-chowing over here. Good job, Bradley. You lasted 50 seconds. New record for you.
Record.
What kind of score do we give him, guys? I don't know. What do you think, Zach? 1 out of 10, what do you give him?
6.
You give him a 6? I'll give you a 4 for that one, dude. I guess I'll go since I'm on the end here. Let me enter the ring. 3S Bigfoot coming into the ring.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're breaking stuff. Look at that tire. I broke. Oh, my God. I literally snapped the. What the heck? Bro, what the heck?
Killer ramp.
Dude, that was 20 seconds. I don't even think. I got rear steer. We're coming in. Oh, no. Look at this. We got to tear up something. Oh, we got to rip something apart here. I don't think the audience cares much for it being broken. Yeah, we got self-riding too. They're giggling. Oh, man.
Rear steer goes crazy though.
Yeah, this rear steer is going insane. There we go. They're too powerful for themselves. Look at this. Oh, my God. Oh no, it's not broken yet though. Oh no, I took the audience out. No. You know what? We might have to call it quits after that. We just took the whole audience out. Oh no. All right, Bigfoot, you lasted about as long as I thought you would. Oh man. Go over here with the junk pile.
Right.
Oh my God. All right, Zachary, are you ready for yours? Since we already lost 2 stampedes, we got our spectators back up and running here. So here goes Zachary and his 4x4 Bigfoot. All right, all right. The rocks are taking him out already. There he goes. Oh, oh my, into the dog poo-poo. There he goes. Almost taking out the spectators again.
What is Bigfoot like to have against spectators?
I don't know. Bigfoot's just a maniac. Uh-oh. Reverse. Oh, he's going to have extra point. Okay. There you go. Backflip into the ring. That's pretty cool right there. Yes, this Bigfoot has lasted the longest. Oh! Oh, he's tearing stuff up now. He's stealing all. Oh, no! He killed the spectators again. Look at him giggle over there. Oh my God. Oh, now he's hitting Bradley. Oh, he's going wild now. Oh, he's running over the spectators. They paid good money to be ran over. Dang. Oh, that's what you get. A Dodge just took you out. Look at that. Oh, oh, that was a little cool 360 you did. A rear wheel drive 360. Nice. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, he broke it. Or it just popped out.
Oh, it popped off.
Yeah, it just popped off. Driver, you have 5 seconds to get your rig back in the ring. All right, he got it back in. Yeah. Getting rowdy. I think he successfully ran over everything in here. Yeah, there's a John Deere tractor all the way over here. Oh! All right, Zach, give us your finale. Oh! Oh, I think you got it. There you go. That's the finale from Mr. 4x4 Bigfoot. How do you feel about your performance, Zach?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? You think you're going to be on top?
I think so.
Because you lasted the longest and gave us the greatest show?
0.75 out of 10.
All right, we like it. We like you over here with the junk pile of Bigfoots.
And
Alrighty. 2 we have left are the non-Traxxuses. We have the Armagorgon with the Craniac body and the FMS F100. Bradley's gonna be ripping the Armagorgon, so let's get it. Alright, are you ready, Brad?
oh yeah, buddy.
Alright, send the old Armagorgon. She enters. Okay. Big old monster truck tires on it. If it didn't have the wheelie bar, it would self-right. Okay, he got it to self-right. That should be some extra points. Oh! There you go. Oh yeah. This is the longest the audience has lasted. Oh my God, he's throwing everything. There you go. Oh no! Oh, and the wheel popped off. No! Bradley!
No, Bradley.
And you gotta take the whole thing apart to put it back on.
Oh, it just the nut came off.
Yeah, and the nuts inside of the housing.
Oh.
Good job, Bradley. You lasted 1 minute and 30 seconds. Good job, Bradley. And look, you took one of the things out for the audience, but they didn't all fall.
The tire took it out. The tire came off and then it kept going.
Well, they at least survived that round. Jesus.
All right, Brett, your turn with the FMS.
I think I'm gonna let Zachary do it.
Okay.
I don't know. You did get to last the longest, so maybe I should get to go. I don't know. We'll see. I put the VXL system in this thing, but we're gonna run it on 2S because 3S just shreds every drive shaft. So let's go try it out.
Ready.
All right, F100 in.
Oh. Oh. Drive shaft. Yeah, bud.
Still moving though. It's got good bearings. Trash, bro.
Did you just snap the front? That's funny.
I don't know what I snapped. Well, guys, we see our biggest problem is durability for this Oh, I did just snap the shock when I threw it. Did you see that?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well. Well, that was a lot of fun. So, you know what we're going to have to do with all the broken cars? The only way we can really end the night for the big bad X-Mac, to take them out of their misery.
The king of monster trucks.
King of monster trucks.
Why are you taking out mine?
Watch out!
It's Zach's turn now to take him out. Let's watch him. He said he got him. Oh! Oh, he almost took the spectators out. Oh, why are you bullying the F-100? There you go! There you go, Bradley! Oh yeah, oh yeah! Oh yeah, oh yeah! What a smackdown in East Texas! Oh, front flip over! There you go! Get angry at him. Ooh, nice! Looking like it's Bradley's turn.
Go.
Alright, Brad, finish it off here. I feel bad for the losers in the middle right now. Oh! 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 Oh, he just murdered Zachary's truck. Oh, he just murdered it. No! No! We literally called the wrecking crew. Oh, he's throwing out Gorgon tire. Oh! Oh! Just crunching the body. Oh, he took my camera out.
I forgot it was there.
He took the camera out. Oh, look, you broke my motor off. You broke my motor off of Bigfoot. No, he doesn't have a motor anymore. No one's safe. Oh, oh, and then there goes the spectators. We knew it was gonna happen sometime. Oh, right onto the Bigfoot. Look at it crunch. God, Zach's all messed up. Look at him over there. Oh! You can't hurt the Gorgon. Oh! Just smacked the F-100. There you go. Oh! Nobody's safe from Bradley. Nice, nice, nice. Good job there, Bradley.
Are no longer in their original pile.
Oh, no, not at all. Everyone's scattered around. Broke my motor off here.
Oh, your lights are gone too.
My lights are gone. I don't know if there's any more damage there. Gorgon looks like it didn't sustain any more damage.
Its tire is just no longer with it.
Yeah, we got, yeah, your
I lost
thing.
a couple body pins
Yeah, your thing doing that.
doing the crab walk.
And then I don't know what happened to this one besides the drive shaft. Looked like it's fine.
It got rammed into the ramp, but it looks okay.
Yeah, he got smacked into the ramp. And then,
Oh no!
last
dude,
but least,
Zach's
I don't know what you did to this one, but this sustained the worst out of everybody. Here, help me deduce
big
what it is,
shot.
Bradley.
Oh no! Oh, thing that popped.
Oh, it just popped out?
It like is jammed up in top of it.
So it just jammed in.
it
Okay,
just
so it
jammed
wasn't
up
even
there.
a break, it just jammed in there. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed test number 1 of RC Monster Jam. We'll be back and make it better for you guys. Thank you for watching.
That was fun as crap, dude.
That was fun, dude. And we'll just leave it for somebody else to clean up. We don't need none of this crap.
It's YouTube.
Yeah.
There's no real work that goes on.
We'll just leave it and walk away. Alrighty. Why are you so mad, Zach?
Cheap China stuff.
Shot it.